U.S. Department of Transportation Federal Highway Administration logo appears on screen. Images of Federal Highway Administration logo, a mobile device showing the ITS2P prototype, and the text ITS2P prototype and ITS2P is shown.
The Federal Highway Administration, FHWA, has developed a new prototype mobile application, the ITS2P prototype, or ITS2P, with the goal of improving the way intelligent transportation systems, device vendors, and manufacturers support their customers' configuration needs. Security incidents with ITS field devices can expose the roadway infrastructure to digital threats. For the highway engineers and roadside technicians who keep these systems up and running, having quick access to the most up-to-date device configuration and security settings can help them reduce vulnerabilities. What if technicians in the field could scan a QR code on their smart device and immediately see the latest recommended security settings and critical patches directly from the device vendor? Or they could respond quickly to any outage or software upgrade with minimal downtime. And how about being able to carry around a secure library of all their device settings without worrying that it might fall into the wrong hands? FHWA wants to make that level of security and convenience a reality for all ITS device vendors. That's why we developed ITS2P, a prototype mobile app to show how vendors can connect their customers to the latest secure configuration information while keeping complete control over their proprietary data. ITS2P is secure, open source, fully customizable, free to use, and designed with flexibility in mind.
Animated section showing the application development diagram and the technologies used in its creation is shown. A text list of field technician user features appears on screen.
Vendors and manufacturers can create a custom app for specific ITS assets based on the architecture we've already built, with minimal time and resources needed for development. This ability allows the choice of data formats, app features, and security settings that make the most sense for your customers.
A second animated section showing the application user authentication and encryption diagram is shown.
The ITS2P codebase puts security first. Our architecture is built to help safeguard intellectual property and minimize unauthorized access to critical security configurations.
Images of the vendor portal with a text list of user features is shown on screen. Text with web link to review the full technical documents is shown. Full technical documents available at https://github.com/usd/ops/its-secure-prototype-app.
Vendors and manufacturers choose what information goes into the tool, who can see it, and how users interact with it. Your implementation, your rules. And with user authentication at its core, no one except verified customers has access to sensitive configuration settings. Our secure interface means that vendors can safely empower their customers to set up devices and improve their security posture, building trust in your products while minimizing risk. With an app based on ITS2P, both new and legacy ITS devices can be more secure to operate, easier to maintain, and offer cost-effective management for vendors and customers over their life cycle.
Images of vehicles at an intersection, the Federal Highway Administration logo, and a mobile device showing the ITS2P prototype are shown.
At FHWA, we see these mobile configuration tools as a key to serving all transportation users with greater security and resilience for years to come. Infrastructure owners, if this tool can help meet your operational goals, talk to your vendors about how to put a secure configuration app based on ITS2P into the hands of your technicians.
Image of the ITS2P prototype GitHub site with text over top is shown. For more information and to download the ITS2P prototype tool, visit https://github.com/usdot-ops/its-secure-prototype-app. ITS2P was developed with Apache 2.0 license and requires no permission or approval to use, modify, or distribute the prototype.
Vendors, go to github.com to download the free open-source prototype tool and learn how you can leverage ITS2P to benefit your customers and your business.
U.S. Department of Transportation Federal Highway Administration logo appears on screen. Link to the Federal Highway Administration website is shown, www.fhwa.dot.gov. Text disclaimer on screen. The U.S. government does not endorse products or manufacturers. Trademarks or manufacturers' names appear in this video because they are considered essential to the objective of the video. They are included for informational purposes only and are not intended to reflect a preference, approval, or endorsement of any one product or entity. Notice: this document is disseminated under the sponsorship of the U.S. Department of Transportation in the interest of information exchange. The U.S. government assumes no liability for the use of the information contained in this document. Non-binding contents. Except for the statutes and regulations cited, the contents of this video do not have the force and effect of law and are not meant to bind the states or the public in any way. This video is intended only to provide information regarding existing requirements under the law or agency policies. Quality Assurance Statement. The Federal Highway Administration, FHWA, provides high-quality information to serve government, industry, and the public in a manner that promotes public understanding. Standards and policies are used to ensure and maximize the quality, objectivity, utility, and integrity of its information. FHWA periodically reviews quality issues and adjusts its programs and processes to ensure continuous quality improvement. Disclaimer for product names and manufacturers. The U.S. government does not endorse products or manufacturers. Trademarks or manufacturers' names appear in this video only because they are considered essential to the objective of the video. They are included for informational purposes only and are not intended to reflect a preference, approval, or endorsement of any one product or entity.
Video and photo credits, videos and photos licensed from their respective owners via Getty Images and Adobe Stock. Copyright 2025 Federal Highway Administration.